Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off silent mode without buttons on any iPhone. Now there are two methods to turn on and off silent mode without using the buttons. For the first method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find a bell icon. Now just tap on the bell icon to turn on silent mode and tap on it one more time to turn it off. Just like that. For the second method, just open Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics, and from here you will find the option of Silent Mode. Now to turn on Silent Mode on your iPhone, just enable this toggle. And by enabling this toggle, you will turn on Silent Mode on your iPhone. Now to turn off Silent Mode, just disable this toggle. And by disabling this toggle, you will disable Silent Mode on your iPhone. And this is how you can turn on and off Silent Mode without buttons on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.